What is up, YouTube fam? So today is Saturday, June 20th. It is 9:25 a.m. at the start of this weekend birthday vlog. Yay! Your girl just turned 38 today. So
38.
we have the car packed up. There's my son Trent. Trent's birthday is tomorrow. So we just celebrating all weekend. Oh, he said he's gonna make his on his channel, which is totally fine with me. So anyways, we're getting ready to go meet up with some friends and go to the inlet to go jet skiing for my birthday. So more to come on this birthday weekend vlog. Deuces. Alright guys, so we got the cars all packed up. We got the jet ski all hooked up. We are now at Subway. It's only a few of us, but we're at Subway getting our sandwiches and everything for the inlet so that we can go jet skiing and all that jazz. So I kept it simple, but I got a couple for me and my son, and then everybody else is like ordering their sandwiches for, you know, the inlet stay. I'm super excited. Also guys, remember I told y'all I had that wrap and I didn't know how to wear it? Well, guess what? I still don't know how to wear it, but my friend Stephanie, she helped me, and you know, I think she did a good job. You know what I'm saying? It looks good. And let me show y'all me from the back though. This is the cute part. Look. Hey. Wait, can they see it? Go down. That's cute, right? I'm pretty sure when I got this from Rose Gal, that ain't what they were trying to get us to do, but that's what she's doing today. Cuteness. All right, guys. I think I'll see y'all when I am at the inlet with my friends. All right, so we're in good old Winn-Dixie. Just had to stop to get some snacks, and Stephanie had to get her essentials. Y'all see this? But anyways, this is where we are, Winn-Dixie now, preparing to get ourselves right on together at the inlet. So happy birthday to me, because the inlet parking is always super duper packed or whatever this time of the day. It's 11:07 a.m. on Saturday, June 20th, 2020. Right? And these people in this lovely Lexus, they're about to go. Praise the Lord. We get to park up front like happy birthday to me. Yay. Okay, we're here and it is hot as heck. All right, we have arrived. There's some of the crew. I can't really see because the sun's so bright, but I think y'all can see them. Guys, say hi.
Hi.
I'm vlogging. I don't know if y'all can see through there, but there's the inlet, people. I guess we're gonna start walking now.
Well, one of us needs to stay here and wait. We can take it all in one trip. So do you want to walk or wait? I don't mind waiting.
I don't know where to go because
We're just gonna look for Sierra. You're gonna go down the ramp and go down the stairs and go to the right until you find Sierra.
Okay.
Michael and Liana.
All right, well, let's do it. All right, I am tired. Whew. Well, we have made it to our area. There is the jet ski. So we're gonna set all of our stuff up first, and then, you know, go, you know, take the jet ski out. All right, let me set this stuff up. Man, that was a long walk. I am tired. All right, guys. All right, so everything is set up behind me. You're seeing bushes and woods. But before me is this. It's such a beautiful day, guys. All my nail bells out there. It is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful birthday. We got the tent up and everything. We're gonna get in the, well, the kids are already in the water over there. They're in the water already. I'm gonna take a dip soon because it is really hot here in Florida. There's my little niecey poo. It's my niece, guys. Say hi to Carly. Carly, say hi to YouTube land. Yes. So I'm gonna try and not lose my phone while I'm vlogging when I get on this thing on the jet ski with Stephanie. Look at this swimsuit. Y'all remember this one. This is the one from the Rose Gal haul. It's cute. Your girl snatched today. It's cute or whatever. So anyways, I'm vlogging all weekend. Like I already told y'all, today's my birthday. Tomorrow's my son's birthday. It's just a great weekend. All right, deuces. All right, guys, it is Trent's first time ever being on a jet ski. I know he has on that green and pink life jacket, but out here you have to wear one or the water police will get ya. But it's his first time. I'm so excited for him. Yay. Let me see if I can I zoom in? Yay, I can. He's like screaming. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not because Brent sped up. Oh my God. He's like screaming. Awesomeness. I'm gonna go next, I think. And I'll actually vlog from the jet ski. Ow, ow.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Cheers to my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Love you too. Clink, clink.
She said, I was wondering, we would take bets at Comet Loop. People come up. I was wondering, how much does a full service oil change in a loop job?
No, do it this way.
We're about to go out to this boat
It's like
Take
stars
pictures.
sticking out
right here.
with little flashing lights.
I'm making a video right now.
With our drinks.
Yeah. Woo, this pina colada is divine.
You pulling right now? Nope.
All right, guys. I got my life vest on. Here is the jet ski. My son is over there on the boat. And we're about to make this happen. Y'all pray for me. I'm just a tad bit scared. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. All right. I'm on this jet ski, guys. Woo! I'm a little bit scared. Okay. All right.
We'll go this way.
I'm only vlogging a little bit because I'm gonna have to put this down and hold on. Cause I'm not scared because she's going slow right now. But when she starts going fast, I'm gonna have to put this down. Look. Oh my God! Oh boy. All right. I'm gonna turn this bad boy off. Cause Stephanie's gonna speed up. So let me go. It's beautiful out here today. All right.
We'll let you know how it was when we're done.
Yeah. Yo, that was so much fun. Oh my God. So we're going back in now. We'll come back out again. We just cruising along now. See? Just cruising along. This is fun. So we're gonna go back in and then come back out again sometime today while we're out here, but if you have never been jet skiing, you need to do it. This is fun, funners. It's lunchtime. Subway, right, Trent? Lunchtime. Oops. So good.
Got you all up and got what I've asked. Why are you sending me photos? I'm waiting.
Alright. So we're still out here. It is so much funners. Having fun. The kids are out by the boat. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they're at the boat on the tube. I'm gonna go on the jet ski again here in a little bit, but I just wanted to vlog real quick. There are more people out here now. Look at this.
Lola.
Look at all these people.
Lola.
Look at all these people. There's so many people. But it is still a beautiful day out here in sunny Florida. And it's my birthday, so what better way to celebrate than do what Floridians do? Go to some large body of water. All right, so we are packing up. We're packing up because we're gonna go home, probably take a quick nap, and then go to dinner for your girl birthday. And I've been vlogging all day. It's been a great day. A very beautiful day. A great day. It's been a great day. Great day this far. All right, people. I am tired from the inlet and all the fun that we had. And now I'm going to take a quick nap before my birthday dinner tonight. I am literally like vlogging the entire day for you guys today, Saturday, and tomorrow for Trent's birthday as well. So I guess the next time y'all see me, we'll be at a restaurant somewhere. What restaurant? Texas Roadhouse. Round them up, cowboys. Peace. Good morning, my YouTube fam. It is Sunday, June 21st, which means today is my son's birthday. He's turning 10 today at exactly 3:11 p.m. because that's what day he made his little grand appearance into this world. So yesterday for my birthday we had an amazing time jet skiing and all of that, and then today he really wants to go to Dave & Buster's, so we're gonna go to Dave & Buster's and take a couple of his friends and just have a grand old time. So let me get out of here, do my hair, do my makeup, and get ready. Oh, and my husband got me a really, really amazing gift. Like he got me a like the vanity mirror sets so that I can do like my makeup and stuff, and I thought that was super cute and super sweet. So thanks, Pooks, for that. That was really sweet of you. So anyways, let me get dressed so we can get ready to head to Dave & Buster's with Trent and his friends. Well, as you guys already know, I had a really, really good birthday yesterday. Today is my son's birthday, but I wanted to show you guys this beautiful mirror that my husband got me for my birthday. I don't even know how he knew, but he knew, and he had it sent to me. He is on the road because he's a truck driver, but he had this delivered to me, and I love it. It's so lovely. Now I can, like, you know, it turns on. Well, I don't have it plugged up right now, but it lights up and all that jazz, and I'm so excited because now I can do my makeup easier with this thing. I've always wanted one, and now I have one. Thanks, Pooks. All right, so I am in the car getting ready to go to pick up my son's birthday cake, right? He doesn't know that I'm going to get him one. So I'm really excited about that. And I know that he will be too. I think he may have a suspicion, you know, that that's what I'm doing. So that everybody can sing happy birthday to him and all that jazz. So let's go get this cake. All right, here we go. It's a good old Publix to get to pick up sorry about that, pick up Trent's cake. I know he's gonna be excited. He loves Publix cakes. Yay! I'm glad that the bakery isn't busy right now too. That's also pretty awesome. I love this Publix. It's always so nice and clean.